The last remaining lava flow, which has passed over the berms or defense walls of the Svartsengi geothermal power plant, was almost stopped when we piled up a lot of soil on top of it. Then a bulldozer, in a funny way, came and completely ran over it and covered it. You can see that the lava oozes out as the bulldozer drives over it, completely over it, probably around an area around 20-25 meters covered in soil on that. I will play that for you. You can see that lava is actually flowing at the same time. The soil is a solid material. It comes in contact with the molten material. Molten material does heat exchange, loses heat, gets solid, get close to solid, and then gradually becomes cooler and stops. It doesn't move anymore. It doesn't flow. I'm reversing it so you can see how it is. We are removing it as if it was squeezed out. Whatever liquid was there by the weight of the soil and the bulldozer itself. But this is now happening in front of our eyes. We are seeing this. So a combination of the water jet and the bulldozer piling up soil on the lava flow can stop it actually, and we have been able to show it in Iceland. I'm showing you again. This is again with the same level of the speed, but in the right direction time wise.